Oi, my name is Beatriz. I'm a geographer and yoga teacher. You can call me Bia or Bea, because just like my name, I adapt myself wherever I am, finding ways to contribute meaningfully while I stay true to my Brazilian roots. Inspired by integral yoga and driven by a desire to share yoga's transformative power, I traveled across Brazil, bringing these practices to diverse communities. Diving deeper into the roots of yoga, I found myself drawn to India, where I lived in an international community of Auroville, embracing a life of sustainability and personal growth. Last year, I embarked on a journey to pursue my dream, bringing yoga to basic education. I studied my master's degree in geography, explored the potential of integrating yoga-aligned education to transform spaces. I can't wait to share this journey of self-discovery and collective growth with you, as we weave together these threads of yoga, education, and social awareness to create the fabric of life.